Today I'm going to take you through our morning basket routine. Thanks for watching our channel. My name is Erica and I am the mom of 3 kids, ages almost 6, almost 5, and almost 3.
My mommy, you're my mommy.
Let's get started, okay?
I love you.
I love you too.
How do we get started?
Let me know in a comment below if you'd like to see what's inside my teacher bag. Right, because what's that answer?
10 minus 6.
Is?
And pink is 4.
4, yeah. And that's pink. So are we doing each one and changing colors, or do you want to find all the brown ones, all the pink ones? How do you want to go about it?
All the brown ones first, and then pinks, and then reds, and then...
Okay, so we need answers from
greens.
11 to 15. Do you see any equations where the answer is 11 to 15?
Watch this.
10 plus 2.
What? Well,
Okay. Is 12 between 11 and 15?
yeah.
Round it is. He likes to start his day with math warm-ups in various forms. We do workbooks. We have a wizard school book. That's what he's doing today. Sometimes we'll just do out loud times tables, all kinds of things to get him going. And as you can see, in true homeschool kid fashion, he cannot sit still in his seat. And on to our math lesson for the day. We use Singapore Math as our spine curriculum for math. One, can you read it to me, please?
Yeah.
Mrs. Chen
Made 45 buns. She sold 31 of them. How many buns did you have left?
Okay. So the math equation for this word problem is a subtraction equation. It is a mastery math program versus a spiral math program. It's also easy to compact, so we don't have the repetition sometimes that you get with a spiral math program. He is much more geared towards a mastery math program, whereas my daughter really likes a spiral math program. Between those two things.
Look.
Okay, that's lovely. All right, last one, and math is done. Ryan is
23 years old. Miss Mouse had milk on a hill. Mommy, how do you spell traveling?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Traveling.
So what do you think the first letter is?
T.
T. So we'll go to T. This is your dictionary that goes alphabetically, right? I don't know a dictionary that doesn't go alphabetically, but here we go. Let's find T. Here we go. Go to T. R.
A.
A.
V.
Feeling. Traveling. E. L.
I-N-G.
Yeah, you spelled it before I could even find it in the dictionary. Here's travel in the dictionary. Travel. So it's a verb, which is an action, right?
I pledge of allegiance to
Hand on
the
your heart.
flag,
Right hand on your heart.
to the United States of America, and the republic,
And to the republic.
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice.
With liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Good job.
Jack, how do you spell Jackie? How do you spell Jack?
Go get another one so I can switch that.
Good S.